If you've ever planned a wedding, you know how expensive invitations are. So I'm gonna attempt to DIY my own save the dates. We'll see how it goes. Now let's assemble these ASMR edition. Starting off well, I already ran into my first issue. I'm not sure what happened here. I bought this template off of Etsy and it says it's for A7 envelopes. And the envelopes I bought are A7, but somehow it doesn't line up, like the angles. I really wanted to do these envelope liners, so I'm gonna try and figure out how I could do this. So I basically cut it at a different angle. So now it slides in and it's gonna look like this. I guess I'll just use this as a template and just trace over all of these ones. This is already looking like way more work than I anticipated, so that's great. No! Why? Okay, so I'll continue the rest of this over voiceover. I ended up resorting to hand cutting all of them because the slicer just wasn't working. But it ended up working out. I hand cut them all and they fit perfectly. Then I just used this double-sided tape roller that I got from Amazon to secure them all into the envelopes, and that was done. I used the same thing to glue in the pictures, and now it was time for the stressful part, the wax seals. I was really intimidated doing this at first, and it took me a couple of tries to get the hang of it. But once I got the hang of it, they were going super smoothly. So I hand stamped them all, which took a lot of time, but definitely worth it. Then I stamped them with this embosser that I got from an Etsy shop called Lad Stamps. I really wanted to use my Cricut to address the envelopes so it looked like they were handwritten, but this just really wasn't working out for me. I couldn't get the envelope off of this sticky thing. They kept ripping and they would come out looking all bent, so I had to resort to going to my parents and using their printer, but I'm so happy with how they came out. I used the tape roller to close up the envelopes, and then I bought these floral stamps from Canada Post. They are so pretty and I love how they turned out. This was definitely a lot more work than I anticipated, but so worth it.